Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix GTA 5 Enhanced not eligible for migration error. So first up, what you need to check is your account eligibility. So you need to ensure that your Rockstar Social Club account is linked correctly. Now you also need to verify that your account has not been previously banned or suspended, as this will impose issues on your game and migration. Next up, you also need to make sure you have sufficient progress in GTA Online, as sometimes insufficient progress can block migration. Now you also need to make sure that you have claimed and installed the enhanced edition of GTA 5 on your platform. And try checking or verifying that Rockstar servers are online by checking their status. Now, another thing you can try is to restart your game and console or PC, then try the migration process once more. Now, if all else fails, it's best to reach out to Rockstar support directly by submitting a ticket for further assistance. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.